Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company with a very special prize for you guys. This is a 2000 Aprilia RS250 MK2 Harada factory race replica. This one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, for just £2.99. So this is an all original Harada correct factory replica, all original condition. It's got under 10,000 miles on the clock. So it's quite a rare machine being in this good condition for an original bike. We purchased this at Fastline Superbikes, and they specialise in selling classic two-stroke superbikes. So this has all been serviced, MOT'd and checked over by them. So it's come from a really good place, so just ready to ride and enjoy. What we'll do now is start her up. We've got a bit of temperature in there, so it's showing 53 degrees Celsius, I guess, on the little temperature gauge there. So we can give it a little rev for you guys, so you can listen to that nice free revving two-stroke. And these were one of the quickest 250 two-stroke superbike at the time, I guess, of all time, because they stopped making them. So yeah, really desirable machine. What we like to do is we'll kick it with our heel, because if you kick it with your toes, the footrest gets in the way. Just go like that. So on ticker, it was really quiet, really smooth, really undramatic. And then that's at 1.5 RPM, then we give it a rev. So that was revved up to about 9,000 RPM. They rev up to about, well, it says on here 13, 14. I don't know if you meant to go that high, but super revvy little thing, great fun. Like I said, in fantastic condition. So, there we are. One more rev. So that was up to about 10,000 RPM. So if you like your two-stroke Superbike 250s, this is like the ultimate one, fastest one. Do one on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. And tickets for this, like I said, are £2.99. You win £500 as well with it if you do win. If you do enter, thank you for your support as usual, and good luck.